Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Reviews with a special review for you. Check this out. What is in this case? You're gonna figure that out here in a moment. But first, let's talk about the fact that I've been watching the movie Avengers. Just watched the Infinity Wars again. I love that movie. And I'm going to be watching Endgame with my friends here within the next couple days. But the problem is I've been sitting too much and my back is starting to feel not so great. So what do we have to combat that? It is a massage gun. And let's see if I can show you the whole massage gun kit right in front of us. And maybe this will wind up as a thumbnail. We'll try it a couple different times to see. But you can see it comes with the gun. It comes with the power cord. It is rechargeable. It comes with various heads as well. So let's look at all of those and kick this review off right about now. So again, folks, I'm Adam. To turn this on, you just have to press the back button here. Actually, in this case, power on, and then it's good to go. And you can up and down your speed from super fast to super slow. Now, before we do that, obviously, you're gonna wanna put what massage head you want in it. I am kind of partial to this, surprisingly, this little fork, if you will. And I'm sure there's official names for these, but I am not the guy to give you the official names. I'm gonna give you my names. So let's see, that's nice because you can kind of get into spots. Looks weird, doesn't it, right? I have it on a low setting, so it kind of bounces a little more. Go all the way up to 20. Oh man, that feels amazing. Really get in there. And it's kind of nice because you can go around your bones a little bit. You see that? Radius and ulna. The ulna makes a U here for ulna. My wrists are one thing that hurts me a lot because I am on the computer a lot. So my wrists get to hurting me, and then my spine. And this one is a favorite because you see how fast it moves, right? I have to show that in slow motion. But, it really does work to get around like the spinal cord and stuff like that, to where you're not hitting weird places. Now, other people, they may enjoy this one, more of a flat surface, and starts off on 1. I'm gonna kick it up to about 10. That has its own, and you can see the incredible speed here is really making my arm move, and I have pretty tight arms, you know? Like, it's not like I don't work out and I'm a flabby guy, but this thing can really make your muscles bounce. One that this kit offers that a lot of kits, you know, there's a lot of places to buy massage guns. You gotta look for a good quality one that holds a charge and things of the sort. Let me see if I can get this out here. Having a hard time popping it out. There we go. It is this. It is a rubber head. You can see kind of squishy. And that is unique to this gun. I haven't seen that on other massage guns. So we'll get in the shoulder here with this one. And you can see on it, here it's just a little more squishy. Right there. It's like a little piece of heaven right in. I don't know if that hits your brain just right or what, but holy cow, it's gonna change your world. Now, we know the prices of massages, right? They're not cheap. Cheapest massage, $60 for maybe a half hour, 80 for an hour, you know what I'm talking about. They're not cheap. Then you gotta throw in a tip with some of those places, massage envy and all that. It is not cheap. So you get a gun like this, you pay one time and you've got all the massages you'll ever need for you, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your spouse, or just do them to yourself. It really makes a difference. Now this one gets those real pressure points. You can really get into those calves and different like hard, like particularly I would say back. This is a really good one for back. So there's a lot of different pieces to it. Takes an easy charge, it's easy to use, doesn't take any training. And it's amazing that without any training, you can become a massage expert. So let's go ahead and see if we can get a thumbnail here and really talk, there we go. But the real benefits of one of these guns is you get the circulation going, you can stretch all those tendons and muscles. You can, there's some thought that you help repair the muscles faster by getting the blood flow really moving. There's so many health benefits to using a massage gun, even once a week, but if you can get 10 minutes in a day of hitting those pressure points that really bother you, For me, it's upper back. Maybe bad posture is associated with that and sitting too much at a desk. And wrists. Those are my two places that give me the most issues. And the fact that you have so many different heads on this, so many different speeds and variations. Like, look at that. It is amazing. So anyway, folks, I will put an Amazon link in the description below. Really a fantastic product. I'm Adam from 911reviews.com. Make sure to click like and subscribe. I have new videos practically every day, sometimes 2-3 a day lately. This page is really taking off, and it's all because of you, and I thank you so much for that. You know, it's been fun. So many things that I do on an everyday basis. My water bottle is a Buzio water bottle, which was a product review. My art on the wall, art reviews from Legendary Wall Art. We've got a review, awards behind me. There's so many different things. Parts of my car from product reviews. Even the lights that are to the side of me, Wish.com sent me these cool lights, studio lights that light up the studio and really make a difference. This flashing thing is all around the studio. I've got studio lighting. I can turn out the lights and it looks really cool. And guess what? Product review. This page is growing so dang fast, I can hardly keep up, and I thank you. My dedication to you, the viewer, is that I'm only going to be reviewing things that are awesome. I'm not going to waste your time with crappy products. If somebody sends me a crappy product to review and I don't like it, it's going in the trash and we're never seeing it, because you don't want to waste your time watching a 10-minute video about something that's no good, right? So make sure to click like and subscribe. If you have any questions about this particular one, go ahead and ask. And of course, it does come with the user manual, deep tissue massage gun. It says has the power display, the start and stop, the frequency display, and the speed. It does have the battery and the battery clip. Do not immerse into water. It has some information about decreasing your risk of electric shock. It does have the name of all of these, including bald head, U-shaped head, flat head, cylindrical head, air cushion head, and wedge head. The wedge head and the air cushion head are unique to this gun. I haven't seen them other places. It weighs 950 grams, and yeah, I mean, there's not too much that I really need to show you here. You get the idea. It's a massage gun and it's awesome. And if you don't own one, go to the description, go to the link below in the description. I hope to get, if I can find it, I'll use like an Amazon referral link, something like that. Try to get a little kickback on that. If you can use our links anytime you shop, I do appreciate it. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.